Good morning, Bedford Hills. I'm Ellie Brown, your SCA Safety Rat. And I'm Fiona Lachlan, your SCA Treasurer. And this is the news for Friday, January 10th, 2020. Today's word of the day is helpful. When you are helpful, you are giving and ready to help others. Following the Husky way, students here are helpful and considerate. On January 10th, 1901, a drilling machine in Texas made a huge spray of oil, covering the land for hundreds of feet. Crude oil, which until that time has been used in the U.S. for lamps, would become the main fuel source for new inventions such as cars and airplanes, changing the world forever. Speaking of fuel and energy, today is National Cut Your Energy Costs Day. This day encourages people to keep up with their home and vehicles by giving information designed to people to help them reduce energy costs and improve their fuel usage. This is Ellie Brown
and Fiona Lachlan. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.